This video shows how to buy shares of UroGen Pharma Ltd, ticker URGN. UroGen is a clinical stage biopharmaceutical company focused on urology treatments, and it trades on NASDAQ. This guide is educational only and not financial advice. To buy URGN, you need a brokerage account. I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After signing up, you will need to verify your account, usually by uploading an identity document, and add funds before placing a trade. On the platform, use the search box and type the ticker URGN to find UroGen Pharma Ltd. Check the name and exchange carefully to locate the correct NASDAQ listing. Open the UroGen stock page to review basic company information and the price chart. Confirm the listing matches UroGen Pharma Ltd and the NASDAQ exchange before proceeding. Choose the amount you want to invest, review the order details, and confirm the purchase. If the market is closed, your order may be queued as a market or limit order. If you don't have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once the order is executed. For convenience, the eToro link is in the description if you want to follow this example.